Hey guys, welcome to this Redmi tutorial, and here I'll detail how to restore apps color to default on Redmi. So if you have your Redmi application color just like this, all of this, now you can easily restore all of this back to default following the steps I'm about to share with you in this video. So if you're done of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to restore your Redmi phone apps color back to default or apps icons color back to default, all you just need to do is click on the settings icon. Now once you select a setting, scroll down and click on wallpaper and personalization. Once you selected that, locate icons under wallpaper and personalization and click on that. There you go. Then here you see font size and then you're going to see background color. Click on background color. Then once you click on that, then you have few options available here. We have blue, green, purple, and brown. So just go ahead and click on default. Once you hit the default button, just hit the power button and then go back to your Samsung phone home screen, and then you discover that the app icons color has now been changed back to the default. So that is basically how to change Redmi phone apps icon color back to default. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.